Hi my little friends, how are you today? In this video, we are going to learn the first set of high frequency word which is called pre-primer. If you don't know what are high frequency words, please watch the video I made to explain what are high frequency words. Let's see what are the high frequency words in this set. We need to practice these words till we learn to recognize them by just looking at them. We have our little friend Chico Monkey to keep us company. Isn't he cute? Let's get started. O. And away big can come down find funny for go help here I in is it jump little look make me my not play run said see the to up we where you Yay! That's the first set of high frequency words. Now practice these words till you learn to recognize them by looking at them. Let's meet in the next video to read the next set of high frequency words. And you can also see the playlist which has lessons for reading phonetically. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.